ShortMeTina here, once again from ShortMeTina.com. Let's kick it off with the S&P 500 ticker SPY daily chart. Again, let me just recap what I've essentially been stating for the past month. This particular index has been cycling through, in my opinion, a channel that started October of last year, October of 2017. Let's say that channel is, we can use 260, anywhere from 260 to around 280. We've had a few springs where the index sort of shot up above 280 like we saw here. It went as high as 286, and most recently here where it went as high as 293. So we can call 280 that resistance level. We can call 260 support. Any sustained move below 260, I am bearish. Any sustained move above 280, obviously I am bullish. But for the past 4 days, the index has been camping out within this little box here. That range is a little bit tighter. It's 269 to 275. Tomorrow's election day, so I figure, I'm not going to say, well, if the Republicans win, then the markets, it's going to be good for the market. It's going to shoot up. Conversely, if the Democrats win, the markets, it's going to tank, and vice versa. If the Democrats win, the market's going to shoot up. If the Republicans win, the market is going to crash. I'm not going to assign any of those things. What I do think is going to happen is after the election, perhaps not this week, but I think next week the market is going to decide whether or not it wants to resolve itself to the upside or to the downside. But for now, until then, you can freely trade this range, meaning buying support, selling at resistance. So that's kind of it for the SPY. Kind of a wait and see here. But like I indicated before, we in the community have faded this move, so we're short the index. What do I have next? GPS, again, put this on your radar. It was a particular trade idea that we took within our premium member community. It worked out for us. We're up a decent amount on this particular trade. It's retail. Overall, in my opinion, retail stocks, a lot of them have held up pretty well during sort of this market correction. So that indicates to me, or that says to me, when the markets actually, comes back in full force, stocks like GPS and other retail names might actually do extremely well. So we're sitting here at 27.76. We're off a little bit. Again, we're somewhat below that support level of 280, but we're sort of hitting right above there. So definitely if we can penetrate 28. If we can penetrate $28 and hold, I think we're going to go on and, perhaps retest the upper end of this range, which is around $36 or $34. Definitely put GPS on your watch list. What else? A FireEye, again, not for the faint of our heart. We've been in this stock for a bit now. Insane ebbs and flows. Again, not for the faint of heart. We're sitting here at 1867. Most recently, I think we went as high as 20, hitting that resistance level here. Again, this stock could potentially drop, 2 or 3 basis points to $16. It can drop to $15. I wouldn't be surprised. But out of the two that I've spoken about so far, or out of all the trade ideas that I'm going to talk about in this video, I am the most bullish on ticker FEYE. It would not surprise me if this stock doubles by 2019. Put this on your watch list. I will revisit this stock within the next few months, and it's going to be I told you so. What else do we have? All right, AMD. Let's talk about our short. Another stock that we traded, or another trade idea that we traded within the premium member community. We went short AMD. We saw some decent profits with this trade as well. Trade is actually coming back a little bit, sitting here at $19.90. I definitely be paying attention to the most recent resistance level of around 2033. I'd be very hard pressed to see us kind of like revisit that. And even if the stock does end up revisiting 20, I can't imagine this gap being filled again. Once again, I do believe the stock is going to resolve itself to the downside. I think we're going to touch 15 once more. And if this market actually corrects a little bit more, I wouldn't be surprised to see this sitting at $9. I don't think that it's going to happen. Definitely 15 more so in the cards for me. Put AMD on your watch list. Nothing has told me at this point in the shorter term that this stock is not a short. What else do we have? All right, let's round it out with ticker ELLI. daily chart. Stock actually showed, in my opinion, a lot of weakness once it broke this long-term multi-year support of around $80. Gap down, and it's been trading within this box since then. For me, this is actually a decent short, right? I go with a relatively small position with this, but it's a decent short in my opinion. I wouldn't short here. I'd actually wait to short the breakdown or wait for the back test and then short that $80 level. So definitely put ELLI on your radar if you're looking for a short. Let's cap it there. ShortMeTina once again from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any portion of this recap, do two things for me. One, head on over to my YouTube page at ShortMeTina, hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. I do videos every single day. This ensures that you do not miss a video. Then head on over to ShortMeTina.com. That's our website. Sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always,